Moles that refuse to disappear can be a challenging and irritating situation to deal with. Moles, often referred to as nevi, are dark brown spots that can appear anywhere on the body and range in size. The majority of people were born with moles, and almost everyone has at least 10 of them on their body. These moles on your body have a tendency to become larger and darken over time. Although moles are occasionally seen as a sign of attractiveness, most people would like to have them removed since they think the moles on their bodies are ugly. Castor oil is a method you can use to get rid of moles. For those who employ natural home treatments, this oil has traditionally been a potent remedy. Medical research has shown that this oil, which has been used since Roman times, is particularly beneficial for a wide range of issues. You should search for one that has been cold-pressed, because it is purer and hence more potent. There are numerous methods for using castor oil to get rid of moles. However, using castor oil to your moles at least twice a day can be very successful in lowering pigmentation on its own. Castor oil can also be readily absorbed into the skin when it is in its purest form. Making a paste out of castor oil and baking soda is one castor oil recipe that has been confirmed to work. You may combine 2 tablespoons of castor oil and 1 tablespoon of baking soda to form this paste. Now that you have the paste, you can apply it directly to the problematic area, and the mole should go within a few weeks. You might also need to use a pumice stone to rub the mole until it begins to bleed during this castor oil and baking soda treatment. Apply the castor oil and baking soda solution now, and leave it on overnight. Apply the mixture once more when you wake up, and the moles will finally start to darken. Many people have found success with natural mole removal methods when it comes to therapy. Only when the moles are malignant and need to be removed right away, is medical intervention definitely necessary. Although it's uncommon, moles can develop cancer. However, natural removal is frequently the best choice because it will cost you less money and lessen the possibility of scarring, which is typically linked to medical operations. Cod liver oil is one of the best natural remedies for getting rid of moles. Because it includes vitamin D, A, and extended omega-3 fatty acids that help strengthen your immune system, cod liver oil is effective for removing moles. You can apply cod liver oil topically to the skin where the moles are located, or take cod liver supplements orally in the form of soft gel to get rid of moles on your skin. Applying cod liver oil topically will help moles disappear more quickly and slip off the skin, allowing for the formation of healthy new skin. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.